In this quick video, I will show you how to set up OpenSea account with Coinbase step by step. So the first step is to go to OpenSea.io and then click here, click Coinbase Wallet, click connect, and now you have created an OpenSea account using your Coinbase Wallet. So in order to buy or sell NFT, you will gonna need a fund. So click here on the wallet, click add funds, and then you can choose any of these two options. So you can either deposit crypto or buy using your card. So if you want to deposit crypto, you can use this address to transfer funds from an exchange or another wallet. If you want to buy using your card, you can click here and then select your currency. So if you want to buy Ethereum, find Ethereum, then type down the amount of USD you want to spend or money you want to spend. You can also change the currency here. So these are the supported currencies or fiats. So for example, USD, and then you will receive this amount of Ethereum when you spend 300 USD. Then click continue, type down your card number, your expiry date, your card security code, and update your card billing address. And note that debit cards are 35% more likely to succeed. Then click continue and pay using your card. Now once you have bought your Ethereum in your OpenSea account, you can now check if you have received your Ethereum in your OpenSea account and buy NFTs. If you have any questions about how to set up OpenSea account with Coinbase, leave a comment below.